So what I mean by hold traction is I was talking about when we have the hands, or we're doing it, that we have a traction where my hand is pulling the wrist and I'm pulling apart the wrist with my upper hand. So my upper hand looks like it's tractioning this way, and my lower hand is pulling this way to make more space in the wrist. What's important is I neglected to point out to you that in doing this, we can't do what I was seeing yesterday, which is in pushing up, everything gets jammed up in his shoulder. So if you back up a tad, if you can, we're going to pay attention a little bit more. We're going to pay attention to Nicholas's shoulder, and if I'm not careful with this traction, I'm going to jam up the channel. Okay? So overall, there's a traction down the whole line, so we can see Nicholas's head. There. I need this traction to be constant because I want the channels to wake up all the way up the line. And I want to avoid a 1, 2, 3 of, okay, Andrew said good traction, and then this hand has to separate this way, and this, look at his head, it went right back, and this is all, I've lost my traction. So it's one nice traction. And then with the nice traction, I have a separation of the wrist, but this is just here. It's nothing to do with the rest of the channel. Okay? So one long, big, good traction, and then the wrist has that nice traction. But please don't go 1, 2, 3, and then it all ends up discombobulated. It's a very good American word, discombobulated. It's fun to say too. Okay, so please keep track. Don't lose that we're doing the whole line. The next thing is that there's a 180-degree difference when rotating the hand and forearm. And I've tried to explain it so many ways. The hands are going the same way, all of this. And yesterday when I was talking to James, it occurred to me that it's like pedaling a bicycle. Your feet are going the same direction. It's just one's in front and one's behind. It's as simple as that. So when I have my traction here, it's just like pedaling a bicycle. When this lower hand is in front, this is making a circle this way. And I mean, I've tried so many ways of describing this, but a bicycle pretty much just sets this. And I can be like, oh, up the hill. Yes. Oh. Right? But there's a lag between the two hands.